Hi viewers, I hope that you all are well and doing well also. In this video I have this Infinix HOT 11 Play and you can see that it's locked with pattern and I have forgotten it. So in this video I will show you how to remove its pattern lock. In order to remove its pattern lock, first power off this phone. After its complete shutdown, just press and hold this power and volume up key simultaneously. And when the logo appears, just release the power key but still keep holding the volume up key. When this logo appears, just press and hold this power key and just press the volume up key and you will land on this recovery screen. From here, just use the sliders to select this wipe data factory reset, then just press this power key, then again just volume down, then again just press the power key. Formatting data done, wipe data done, formatting cache, formatting metadata, and data wipe is completed. Now just reboot into system, just hit the power key. Now keep it aside and just wait a few minutes until it lands on the home screen. So finally it landed on the home screen and you can see that the pattern lock is removed, but still we have to bypass the FRP lock of this device. I will create another video for bypassing its FRP lock. I will put the link in the description and the video at the end screen of this video. So kindly check the description of this video and the end screen of this video. I hope that this is enough for this video. If you have any queries or questions or suggestions, please write down in the comment section below. I will see you in my next. So until then, keep smiling.